Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. Fight with age, consuming delicious foods. Not only will the consumption of these products help you fight aging, they will also help you to strengthen protection and cleanse your organs. Carrot. Studies show that people who consume an average carrot a day can significantly reduce aging and prevent other diseases. They can be eaten in cooked or raw form, in combination with other dishes or in juice. Avocado. Being rich in monounsaturated fats, it helps to reduce the level of bad cholesterol in the body. It also contains vitamin E, which promotes healthy skin. Blackberry. Berries contain antioxidants. Among them there are blackberries, blueberries and currants. Omega-3. One way to prevent aging is to use omega-3 contained in fish. Nuts. Nuts are rich in fiber, which makes them effective in fighting the signs of aging. It is best to consume them raw, because salted and roasted foods can adversely affect your health if consumed in large quantities. Rice. People need energy for their daily activities. The body burns carbohydrates to get it, and the best source is pasta and brown rice. Water. Water helps detoxify and maintain smooth skin throughout the day. Studies show that the body needs more than 8 glasses a day. Avoiding stress combined with regular consumption of these products will help prevent aging. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.